Up for sale, 1979 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, a 79 Corvette, finished in correct dark blue with dark blue interior. This is a restored car, which, you know, isn't always what you see, and not just restored, but restored to original. And of course, you know, walk around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. And of course, we will start her in the front as always. The engine bay is fantastic on this car. It's all correct. The paint colors are correct. I love the new chrome wheels. Nice little pop to the way the car looks. Because I know you see it here. It's just got a real sharp look to it. Headlight doors fit the way they want it to. And it's actually believed to be 55,000 miles. I kind of do believe it. There's some nice signs on the car. But of course, the car was repainted in correct blue. And, you know, in the front here, you see a couple, you know, little stone chips, a couple touch-ups. It's going to happen, especially on this car, the way it's designed. Like, look at down here. The quality of the paint is super, super nice. Like, when you look at it, hood lines up the way it should. It fits properly to the nose as well there. And you see a couple little touch-ups here. Another little one there. Another little one there. All the glass is fantastic. I don't even know where to begin on the car. So we go ahead. I want to pop the hood open. I'll flash you the interior real quick. Again, not just paint, but all the interior has been redone. Which again, sometimes you don't always see them change. You might see it old paint with newer interior, some new interior pieces, but to see all new interior and new paint, and then they have the engine bay look like this. Just speaks for itself, you know. Correct. It's got the shielding on there, and it's not just there, it's clean and fantastic looking. Like, look at the alternator with the coat on there. Look at that, that's still there. This is new, and look how clean all that is. The air conditioning, which blows cold and works. Again, just, and even another bonus, the radiator and the attention to detail just under the hood alone. It runs like a Swiss watch. It's smooth as silk. You just look at it from like this angle here. Clean, all that is clean in there. It's matching number 350, of course. I didn't say that, but it is. And it's got a lot of work done underneath the car as well. New single leaf in the back I saw. Stainless exhaust, MagnaFlow, which is pretty cool as well. Power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, you know, T-tops, which were standard. Yeah, so we'll keep moving on down the driver's side of the car. You see, excuse me, a couple little marks there. Couple other little marks there. That rocker panel is super nice. The door fitment to the fender is nice. Again, one of those low mileage signs that you see, because sometimes that separation happens over the years. And high mileage, of course. Another thing I'd like to point out is those tags are still in there. And this is the original paint, because these bolts have not been painted over. So that's cool on its own. Let me close it back up though before I continue. As always, notorious. Some light stone chips there in that area, just again designed. And you see a couple little marks on the door edge, one there. Oh, I'll show you the top. I just had it buffed. I mean, even when you look back here in the back, carpet's all new. It's got the strips. It's got the T-top covers, excuse me. This door panel, with exception of this little mark right there, is super nice. Your trim tag is in place there with the codes for the dark blue with the dark blue interior. Seat looks like it's barely been sat in. It's got, you know, new carpet, correct carpet, floor mats for the carpet. Steering wheel looks like it would have been replaced at some point, I believe, because normally just they crack a lot on top. but no cracks there. That's super nice. These all look new. And there's the 55898, which again the title said original mileage on it, just thinking. This is all nice and original here. All the little plastic up there, visors, all that looks nice. Working dome light, which is, you know, just a bonus. There you go back there. A couple added speakers for the radio. That's about the only thing that does not look the way it should be from the factory. Let me refocus my camera. There we go. See a couple little marks here. Came off. A couple little touch-ups right there. It looks like even the rear glass window is new. You see the Magniform. The stainless steel tips on there. That's nice. Just a little bonus. Little mark right there. This fitment is nice all the way down. And again, see some light stone chips there. Again, couple marks here from those, you know, that panel that sticks out. Rocker panel looks just as nice as the other side. And here once again, you know, not painted over. And that glue looks like original, so I really do believe this is the original paint in there. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. 79 Corvette, finished in dark blue with dark blue interior. Number matching, 350, automatic, nicely optioned, air conditioning that works. And without a doubt, as far as late 70s, Corvettes, like late 70s and, you know, 81, 82, the nicest Corvette I've had in this generation, I would say. So, thank you for watching. We're going to fire it up now and then drive it. All right. also got tilt and telescopic steering wheel.
Yeah. Comes in handy for the men with large girth like